What up?
Can you look at this and see if all of my work is correct on this?
You know what's that?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Are you live?
Yeah.
On?
Nope. I'm trying to figure out how to set this rocket up to not fucking explode in space. Maybe like that. Hey, what's up?
Just look at the work.
Yeah. What am I looking at?
For this one, I don't know if that one's right. For that one,
12?
Yeah. We have to go through all the answers and we have to see which ones are the equivalent ones. And I picked that one and that one.
This, yeah. You didn't do this side. Oh no, wait.
It's the same thing.
No.
Which ones are they?
6 equals x.
X equals X? Huh?
Over here. X equals 6.
Oh, it equals 6?
Yeah.
How?
Ever use Desmos?
Yeah, that's what, yeah. That's what we always use.
Do you know how to use Desmos?
No, not really.
Four minus 3x plus 5. There you go.
How does it equal 6 though?
6. 6.
How though?
When y
Okay, but
When y is 0, x is 6. When x is 0, y is 6. But it's 6.
how do you figure that out though? You can't use things like this. This is a test.
Do it.
I don't know.
2 times 4. Just do it right below. Do it right below. 2 times 4 is 8.
Well, I have that right here.
And then 2 times negative 3x.
Not included.
Whatever, same thing. It's negative 6x.
Plus, and then it would be 5.
That's supposed to just write that. And then you have the above part, right? So add them together. You have the right side. So,
X minus 2.
yeah. No. Add 2 to both sides.
I had 2. What?
Because you're the 5x minus 2. Get rid of. Or no, never mind. Yeah, just do that first. Minus 2 from 8. That's 6.
What? No, why would you minus 2?
'Cause that's what, or you're adding 2. Yeah, add
No,
2.
8 minus 6x, which would be 2x.
No, that would be nothing. That's what that is. You don't know what 8, you don't know what x is. So you have to do what you don't know. So you have to add 2. Because you have to get rid of that.
Just write it. Then I can understand it.
Add 2 to both sides.
Plus 2
Yep,
of 2.
yep. And then that gets rid of that plus 2.
Yep. It gives you, so that's what it leaves you to 5x
5x and
plus.
then negative 3x plus 5, 10.
You're not making any sense.
10. So that's 10. The 8 is 10.
Why would
It was just added 2 to both sides.
so it would be 10 minus 6x?
It would be 10 minus 6x, yeah.
Or 4.
No. Then you take the see how it's negative, it's minus 6x. You take the minus 6x and you add it to 5x.
So 6x plus 5x?
Minus 6x.
5x minus 6x?
Or just negative 6x plus 5x. Because you just keep the minus sign. See? This is an x. This whole thing is x. Look at.
This does not seem like anything we did in class, though. This doesn't seem like anything we did in class. So why is she putting this stuff on the test?
So now you have
This isn't anything
negative
we
x.
did,
So you
though.
have negative x.
But literally, this is nothing we did in class.
Alright, look at.
This work isn't going to give me anything because I don't know how to do it. So
So look at.
factoring. This is what we've been doing.
Look at.
Literally this. None of this is anything that we just did.
Right, that's what you would do.
I'm going to be late for class because we didn't do this fast enough.
Plus 5x minus 2. Right?
Doesn't give you this.
So it's that. This is the point. There's x when y is 0. X is 6.
How do you get 6? I don't get that.
So you did that, right? You did that. Did all that.
Yes.
Then you went down to this. You have 8 and you have minus 2.
Why are you minusing the 2 though? It's not what it says to do though.
You're adding these together.
Yeah, so why wouldn't you just do the
So
the
8
8 minus 4x?
because
and
8
then you-
8 you can't minus an x from a whole number. Because that's not how that works. You don't know what x is. You can't minus 4x from 8. If you minus 4x from 8, you don't know what x is. So you do this. You do 8 plus negative 2. Plus negative 2 is 6.
Okay, so this is all I know how to do. I don't know how to do any of this other junk. How do you get that though?
This is a negative 2. And you're adding it. You're adding a negative to a positive.
I've never done this.
So see how this is
doesn't make sense to me.
So see how this is 8 minus
I get what
8
you're
minus
saying,
2
but I've never
is
done
6.
This, so why is she expecting us to
8,
know how to do this?
8 minus 2 is 6. So you have 6 minus 4x plus 5x, which is still in
That
parentheses.
still doesn't make sense because I don't know how to do this because
Still
I
in
didn't get taught how to
parentheses.
do this.
Right? So see how that's minus 4x? So you're adding minus 4x to 5x. So you have
But why would you get
6.
6? I don't understand that.
6 is left over. And then minus 4x from 5x. You have what? 1x left, right?
The teacher's gonna be like, how did you get this? I don't know. My brother told me the answers because it's how he does it. And you didn't
Right, so this is left. And then you take negative 4x from there. So then you're...
anything like this, Tyler.
If you
This
have...
isn't how she's teaching us how to do it. Because she hasn't taught us how to do this.
You're saying that, but this is exactly how she taught you to do
This
it.
is exactly not how she taught us to do this.
Not right now, but before.
Okay, Tyler, this
Okay.
is what we've been doing. This is our assignments for the last couple days.
Yeah.
None of that has anything to do with
That's
this.
exactly what you're doing.
No, it's not.
You're just combining this with previous equation knowledge.
This isn't previous. I've never learned how to do this.
Yeah, that's what this is right here.
No, it's not. How? How is that anything like what we're doing?
The 2 is exactly what you do.
Yes, okay, I know how to do the first 2 steps.
This part is equal to this.
Yes, I know how to do exactly those 2 parts. But none of the other stuff
Right.
makes sense because that's not what we've been
So
doing.
then you know this and you know this. So now all you have to do is add these two.
Yeah, so
to each other.
How would you get 6 minus 4x?
Add these to that. So you're adding 8 to negative 2. Minus 2. Or you're subtracting 2 from 8.
Why though? Why?
Because that's minus 2.
Because that's 5x minus 2.
Yeah,
Why
so it's
would it-
5x. You don't know what x is. X could be 10, x could be 20, x could be 5, x could be... You don't know what it is. So you can't minus 2 from something that you don't know what it is. Because you don't know what x is. X could be anything. X could be 100. X could be 50. Right now, you don't know. You can't minus 2 from a random number times 5. That's some random number.
The only thing that.
So the x is
done.
x you don't know, right? So you don't know what minus 4x is. You don't know what 5x is. You don't know. All you know is there's an 8 and there's a minus 2 and you have to add them. Right? That's all you know because you don't know x. So you can't touch the x's. X's can only
But
intersect.
how is that anything close to this?
X's can only touch other
This
x's.
is what we've been doing.
So what you do, look at, you minus 2 from 8. That's 6. Then you still have the minus 4x and the 5x, see? Minus 4x and the 5x. You haven't touched those. Those have been up there since you times it by 2. Right? Right?
I don't.
So now you have minus 4x. Look at, Lauren.
I'm writing it down.
You have minus 4x plus 5x. So you have to subtract 4x from somewhere, and you have 5x. You can't subtract 4x from 6, because you don't know what x is. X could be 100, and then
The
that would...
teacher's not gonna know what I'm doing because this isn't what she taught us.
So you're doing 6 minus 4x, so you can't do that. So you take the 4x, minus 4x, and you just move it over here. Right? And now you have 6 by itself. Because you took that and moved that over here. This plus that. You're minusing 4x from 5. You have x left over. So 6 plus x.
Why? How do you just get rid of the 4 and the 5?
that plus that. This there you go. 6 minus 6.
Whatever, I'm failing. I need to get into class. I'm 5 minutes late.
Either way, it's 6 plus x. Then you can minus x and then, or you can minus 6, so it's negative 6. Or positive 6. Wait, 6. If you think this is hard, I should teach her how to do rocket science. Oh my god, rocket science is so much more complicated. What the fuck are you doing now? What the fuck? No, we need to go vehicles.